Hi guys, I'm Karen Cavett. Welcome back to HGTV Handmade. So today I'm doing kind of a craft experiment. I honestly had no idea what was gonna happen as I was filming, so let's get into it. So basically what we're going to be doing is painting with nail polish remover. Start by preparing your canvas by spray painting different layers of paint onto it, letting it dry to the touch before adding the next color. Once that's completely dry, grab nail polish remover and paper towels. Then lightly draw the shape that you want to make onto the canvas. The simpler, the better. Now just put some nail polish remover on the paper towel and start rubbing away the paint to reveal the different colors underneath. So I know that there are all kinds of paint removers and paint thinners out there that might work better, but I wanted to do this project with materials that you guys probably already have. So as you can see, it's actually working pretty well. The nail polish remover is breaking down the paint, so the colors are kind of blending together into a nice texture. Keep going until you're happy with how it looks, and then we're done. Now, you guys don't even have to say it. I know that you're all wondering, but does it work with acrylic paint? So I decided to try that out for you. Paint your canvas the same way, letting it dry between layers. And if you have a hairdryer, that can help the paint dry a lot faster. Alright, so now that the canvas is ready, we're doing the exact same thing with a paper towel and nail polish remover. It took a lot longer to remove the acrylic paint and get down to the next layer than it did with the spray paint, but I really like this kind of wood grain texture that we're getting since the colors don't blend together. In terms of timing, the acrylic paint took way longer than the spray paint. It probably took me a solid 40 minutes versus the 15 that the spray paint took. And I don't know if this needs saying, but do not do this project with a fresh manicure because it will be ruined. Also, unfortunately, I was out of green paint, so I had to use a different brand, and it did not work as well as the other colors. It didn't come off so nicely, so I think the green to the blue in the middle there, not looking great. But if you use all of the same brand of paint and make sure it's all fairly new and not drying out like some of mine was, it should turn out pretty well. So this is what I ended up with, and you can see the difference between the textures you get with spray paint versus acrylic paint. Are they the next great work of art ready to hang in a museum? No. But they're cute, and I think it would be a really fun activity to do with your friends that's a little different and unique. So before I go, I also wanted to share a craft fail. I also tried this with actual nail polish, which was a terrible idea because I wasted so much nail polish and my apartment kind of smelled like a nail salon for 3 days, and it gave me a headache. Then when it came time to try to draw a design, the nail polish remover just removed it way too fast, and it smeared all over the place, and it was just a mess. But the other two actually worked out really well, and I hope you guys are inspired to try it out for yourself. So I hope you guys liked that project. If you guys decide to make some artwork using that painting technique, make sure that you post a photo on Instagram and tag us at HGTV Handmade so that we can see. And feel free to leave me a comment telling me what shape you would try to draw or what colors you would use. Make sure that you like this video and subscribe, and I'll see you guys next time.